Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download with a higher quality from Netflix. So you may be experiencing a problem when you download something to watch offline that the quality is quite fuzzy. So that is easily fixable actually. Just open up Netflix and go to your profile to the top right. Then click on app settings. And what you need to do is scroll a bit down and see smart download. Right under it, there is download video quality. Click on it, and you just need to select from standard to high. But do have in mind that when they say uses more storage, they really do mean it. It's almost not double but triple the size of the standard downloads because it's usually in HD, high quality, maximum PP, or whatever, however you want to call it. And just have that in mind. So just select high quality, and from now on when you download it, it will be all in high quality. And this is how you do it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.